We're receiving the Lord Dearing Award for Excellence in Teaching and Learning for the development of safeguarding within the School of Health Sciences. Well, we were delighted, absolutely delighted to receive the award and the recognition, I think, of safeguarding and the work that both ourselves and the team have put into developing safeguarding to the point that it is currently. So the model we've developed for safeguarding has now been published and has the potential to be used nationally and potentially internationally.
I was surprised but delighted to win the Lord Dearing Award for Excellence in Teaching and Learning for 2016. So winning this award has, I suppose, meant several things. First of all, I was immensely surprised because it's my job to try and do the best I can in terms of enhancing the students' teaching and learning experience. So it felt kind of routine to want to take that to the next level. But for me, it's not so much for me as an individual, but what's more important for me as the head of the School of Health Sciences is that I bask in the celebrations of the school and the achievements of the school. More importantly, it suggests to me and it suggests to my colleagues who win these sorts of awards, it seems to be giving the students a better experience, and they're learning more, they're learning differently, they're learning better, and actually they're doing much better in their assessments as a result.
So getting nominated for the Lord Dearing Award was a surprise and a bit of a shock, but it was a very nice one. My role was new in the school, so it was something that had to be set up from scratch, and I worked with a lot of different staff and students in order to put initiatives and support in place for student engagement. So what's really special about student engagement in the School of Health Sciences is students do an awful amount of work, they have a large number of hours, and they are professional students when they come here. So they're a student at the University of Nottingham, but when they go onto wards or their placements, they're also a professional student. And I think that's why it was so important to try and get student engagement right in the school to get it increased, because if a student is on placement away from the university, as a school we want to know they're still engaged and still supported.